In this question, they give you 2 points P and Q with coordinates, and then they say that P is rotated anticlockwise, and also Q is translated leftward. So a very important thing is you must draw properly. You should draw the roughly position at P and Q. It also give you idea how you can rotate it. So if we just talk about point P, it is -3, 5. That means we first go back by 3 to -3, and then we go up by 5. So we reach this point. It is point P, -3, 5. Now we are going to rotate this point. It is difficult to rotate a point OP, but it's easy to rotate a horizontal line. From point P, we rotate anti-clockwise, that means this direction, by 270 degrees, which is exactly the same from the starting point opposite direction by 90 degrees. So, to simplify, we are talking about rotate it 90 degrees in clockwise direction. Now, we focus on the triangle here. Originally, to reach P, we go left by 3 and then go up by 5. Now, if we rotate it, go left will become go up will become go right. So we can draw the triangle easily. Go up by 3 and then go right by 5. We rotate the triangle easily, and then this gives you the position of P prime. Go up by 3, that means the height here is 3. Go right by 5, that means the left-right position is 5. So we can find out that the coordinate of P prime is 5, 3. When you write down the coordinates, you write down the left-right position first, and then you write down the up-down position, 5, 3. So part A, P prime, they ask you to write down, that means no step can be written down. We just write down 5, 3 directly. But this kind of drawing is really important for you to understand what is going on. Now we have another point, which is point Q, 2, -7. So we mark down the position. We go right by 2, and then go down by 7. So we have point Q here. And then Q is translated leftward by 21. So it's go left hand side. Q is 2, -7. Go left, that means affect the left-right direction here. Therefore, go left, that means it becomes smaller, and then we minus 21 from it. That's why the image Q prime is 2 minus 21. Then we get -19, -7. It's somewhere around here, -19 here. Then we focus on part B. They ask, is PQ perpendicular to P prime Q prime? The key point is, if PQ perpendicular to P prime Q prime, then which is equivalent that the slope of PQ times the slope of P prime Q prime equal to -1. This is the property that you need to remember. If they are perpendicular, the product of their slope will equal to -1. Or in reverse, if you can prove that their slope product equal to -1, then you can claim that they are perpendicular. So now we are working on this product and check whether it is really equal to -1. Write down the coordinates first in vertical order for easy calculation. So to consider the slope of PQ, we just use the y coordinate difference over x coordinate difference, 5 minus -7 divided by -3 minus 2. We get this value. Now we are working on the slope of P prime Q prime now. We are going to compare their y difference over x difference. So 3 minus -7 divided by 5 minus -19. We get 5 over 12. Now we are going to prove, is that the product equal to -1? So we are considering slope PQ times slope P prime Q prime is equal to 12 over negative 5 times 5 over 12. So it gives us negative 1. Since we proved that the product of their slope is equal to negative 1, therefore we can draw the conclusion PQ perpendicular to P prime Q prime. We provide enough evidence to prove this. Whenever they say proof, that means this statement must be correct. If you find that it's not negative 1, then you better recalculate P prime and Q prime.